Whenever you want to have guides to draw, you can make them appear in the Canvas menu under the Drawing Guides tab. You need to enable it first, and then you can click on Modify Drawing Guide. Here you can select what type of guide you want, be it a simple grid, an isometric grid, perspective rulers, or a symmetry ruler. To use the perspective grid, you'll have to add manually your focal points by tapping on the screen and then dragging them wherever you want. You can use this guide like just a visual aid to help you draw correct lines but still free-handed, or you can turn on the assisted drawings right here, and your lines will then snap to the ruler, just like this. Note that vertical lines will always be vertical if you trace in good, without having any ruler up. This way the lines will be perfect, but also a bit more digital. It's a trade-off to consider. If I turn on the assisted drawing, I have the lines at my disposal, but my lines are free if I ever want to. This way the lines can be perfect with the guide or not. It's a trade-off you have to consider. Anyway, you have all the tools here to realize a difficult angle of view for your scene.